We're trying to find f of g of 3. And you start on the inside. And you're going to look at your function called g. And you're going to substitute in a 3 for x. So bring the f over, because we still have to deal with that. Parentheses, g of 3. G of 3, well, you could rewrite this g of x as 4 plus 0x. There's not a place to plug in a 3. So I rewrote it as gx equal 4 plus 0 times 3, and that's just going to be g of x equal 4. This is x. G of 3, this says look at the function called g and substitute in 3 for x. There wasn't an x because g of x was just 4, but I wrote in the extra term with a 0 times x just so you could see. So that's going to be g of x, that's going to be 4. And now do f of 4. Look at your function called f. Everywhere you see an x, substitute in a 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. So that's your answer.